Okay, I'll be doing many more videos on how to repair appliances. So subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the videos. And comment good or bad. Also, if I use a part to repair the appliances, I'll put a link in the description so you can buy from this channel. Let's get started. First thing we want to do is unplug the power cord for safety reasons. In this project, I'll be showing you how to replace a defrost thermostat on a Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator. Okay, we're going to slide the auger assembly out and slide the upper shelf. And what we're going to do now is remove the ice maker. You need a 1/4-inch nut driver or electric screwdriver with a 1/4-inch on it, and loosen the 2 screws, and you're going to lift the ice maker above the screws, disconnect the wiring harness and pull it on out. And that's how you disconnect. You just push those 2 tabs, it opens up and slide out. Now the auger motor, you need these 2 screws removed, 1/4-inch head screws with a nut driver. They have been removed. As you can see on the left and right, they have been removed. And what you're going to do is lift up on this auger motor. They're hooked up on 2 brackets and pull out, but also disconnect the wire harness. 2 wiring harnesses for the ice maker as well as the auger motor. And there your wire harness right there that comes out. So once you disconnect that, you're going to lift up on the motor, which is kind of heavy. Be careful and slide it on out. Okay, we're going to have to clear out the whole freezer. And there's a number of things that have to be removed from the freezer to get to the access panel. Here are your ice maker glides. You got to remove the shelf. You got to remove the motor brackets, shelving, basket, and drawer. All that stuff has to be removed, including the railings on the sides that the shelves, the drawers, and the basket sit on. So, you need a 1/4-inch drive to remove it. They're all screws are the same. Use the same thing. Then you need to remove. The lower panel, not the upper panel, but that has to be removed, and you will be able to get access to the defrost thermostat once the lower panel has been removed. 1/4-inch screws have been removed, and now we can remove the lower panel. And now you have access to the defrost thermostat, which is right in the middle up top where the black area over there is, right below the little red lever to the left of the red lever. That's your thermostat. It's connected to a copper line, and it just clips onto the copper line. Just use your thumb to slide off the thermostat off the copper line. Cut both wires very close to the thermostat. Slide thermostat off. And what you want to do is splice a 1/4-inch wire coating off both ends of the wires, and use wire nuts to fuse the wires together, and apply silicone to both wire nuts to make sure they are sealed, and able to do. Now slide the thermostat back onto the copper tubing. Tuck the wires in to secure it. And now you install your lower panel. Your lower side rails, your drawer, lower drawer, your glass, top glass, your middle side rails, your basket, your top side rails, your glass shelf, your right side auger motor rail that kind of helps the auger motor, and then your left side upper for the auger motor, and then your auger motor bracket right, auger motor bracket left. Auger motor slides into that, and there's your harness that fires up the auger motor that slides into the back of the panel back there. It has a hole for it. There you go. You just slide that in there. And there's your auger motor. Those hooks right there goes into the rear of the panel back there. Right into those holes right there. That's where the hooks slide into. You lift up and push in and then lay down. And what you see now is the harness for the ice maker. Auger motor's already hooked up. Now the ice maker wire harness is ready to be hooked up. And that's what you push it into. All you have to do is push it in there. If it doesn't go in right, you might have it upside down. No use to pull the sides. They'll click in. You'll hear a click knowing that it's secure. And these are two mounting mechanisms for the ice maker. You just slide those into those two screws right there, down. Once they slide down and lock, you tighten down those screws and your ice maker is in securely. And there you have it. Ice maker's mounted and ready to go. A little closer view. Two screws, 1/4" screws. You can use a nut driver. There you go. There's your ice cream shelf that's in. And your ice container slides in. And you're done. Okay. I'll be doing many more how-to step-by-step videos on how to repair appliances. So hit the like button, comment, good or bad, subscribe to the station so you can see these videos. And if I am using a part to repair the appliance, a link will be in the description so you can buy from this channel. Have a good one.